Right now he's checking to see if the speakers are good or not. It's gonna be fun tonight, corazón. It's the fiesta time, the party market. Oh, this street is really nice. But I do exercise every single day. Hey, good morning guys. It's morning here in Bangkok, Thailand, and we are going to Pattaya, and we are going to take you along with us. I need to install, well, I'm looking to see if I can install new speakers to my car, a new system, audio system. And I found a guy last time in Pattaya that installed my stereo, so I want to go back there because they're really nice and really good people there. I mean, they're pretty good on what they do, and I like the way they did on my stereo, so I'm gonna go back and give him more money to get more job, more work for him to do. And I'm gonna see if I can make it sound pretty good, because man, right now the sound system in the car is like a little really not good, yeah. So I'm gonna make it sound a little bit better. I don't want nothing like, you know, like so huge, you know. I just want something that sounds really good, you know, like I can hear the sound at the bass and stuff like that, all the other instruments, but a really nice sound. That's what I'm looking for. Anyway, so let's go to Pattaya, guys. Let's go. Anyway, guys, this is my view every single day. Traffic. A lot of traffic. There's a lot of accident right there in the little corner right there in the intersection. There always accident. No? Okay, here's my my dusty car. Yeah, we just washed it like 2 days ago before I went to register the car. Let me put this stuff in here. And now it's so dirty already. Alright. Yeah, we still use the mask here inside the building. It's not required, but it's recommended. Yeah, this condominium has so many workers, you know, and that's a good thing, you know, because you pay for what do you call that, HOA, you know, HOA, and then that's how the money goes to the workers and maintenance of this building. Like back in America, you know, we have HOA, and you don't see any difference. You don't see people working in there. Anyway, guys, today it's not cloudy. It's water contamination, whatever. Bangkok has been so bad lately for the last few days, you know, with a lot of smoke or that hazing look, you know, like it looks foggy, but it's not fog. It's contamination. It's just really bad. So it's pretty good to wear the mask right now. Thank you. Oh, you get a car. Hello, you good? Alright guys, so we are at the shop now. Okay, right now he's checking to see if the speakers are good or not, or we need to replace them. Yeah, he has a lot of the material here, but it's not for every single car. Shop here. What do you think? Show me this too over here. All right, so we're gonna come back tomorrow at 9 a.m. to set up because he has already a lot of cars, you know, that he's working on, and coming back tomorrow at 9 a.m. Yeah, we're gonna put 2 speakers on the back, 2 at the front, and then the amplifier to make it sounds really good. Yeah, he was offering also to put the subs, but I don't want that, you know. I just want a really good sound system, but not so big, you know. I think he's gonna use the little speakers here, what are tweeters, and just the 4 new speakers and amplifier. Okay, let's go. All right, guys, we already checked into this hotel. We just walked in. We didn't book anything on my app. We just came directly to this hotel. It's pretty okay. I mean, it's about $35 a night. It's closer to the beach, and pretty much we just came to do the stereo and speaker sound, you know, the sound system on my car. So we don't need any fancy hotel or anything like that. But it's not bad, really. It's okay, right? It's not. It's really clean, but more than other hotels that we stayed at before, and more expensive. And now we're looking for food, guys. We're walking towards the beach here, where there is a lot of people at night, you know, just walking, a lot of food. So it's pretty fun. It's pretty fun to come to Pattaya just to walk around. Beachings. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so we can continue creating more content for you guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Ooh, it's gonna be fun tonight, corazón. Russian sugar girls. Okay, let me look at the map. Yeah, we're walking just at this narrow street. I think we are on the walking street, but I'm not really 100% sure, guys. But we're just going to the beach. That's all. But this place is pretty nice. My corazón. My wife is making some steam. Yeah, I think this is the walking street. I'm not 100% sure, corazón. I don't know. Don't blame me. But it's pretty nice here. All colorful. Coconut. Anyways, I think the beach should be somewhere around that area. I just got in myself by the big building, corazón, on it. Because that's the name of the Pattaya city name on the hill. In the previous videos, guys, we went up to the hill over there with the temple, and then we were walking just to view the water. Alright, seems like we found a place here to eat because we are so hungry again. Alright, let's go there. Alright, guys, we just finished eating at that little shop. The food there was okay. It wasn't the yummiest, but we ate. We're full, so we're ready to start walking again. I mean, we're already walking, corazón. Anyway, guys, this place is so nice. I really like this vibe over here. Look, this is the pier where you can get all the boats to go to the island, any island, whatever is close by this Pattaya beach. Anyway, guys, this is really nice. Look, this is what I'm talking about when I say the name Pattaya city. It's in the hill. The cost so far was the shop gave me 17,400 baht. That's roughly, I don't know, $500. Give it a take. It's around there, about that price. I don't think it's that much. I think it's a fair price. I don't know. I mean, the stereo was a good price to me, you know, compared to when I buy stuff in the US, you know, that I paid over $1,000 for similar type of stereo system, which is the touchscreen. So I think he's give a really good price, fair price, and then all the work that they do. It took him almost all day dealing with my car, to install the stereo. So this one, I don't know if it should be easier.
He said the whole day.
Maybe it's gonna be the whole day, but I'll just probably drop it off. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be recording the whole, process of installing the speakers and amplifier and stuff like that. I just want the sound to sound really good, guys. Like the music, when I play something, I want to really hear really nice sound. I don't want like boom, 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 because he offered the big subwoofer, but I don't want that. I just want really nice music inside the car. Anyway, guys, this is how it looks here in walking street here in Pattaya during the day. Nothing. It's all quiet. But at night is the fiesta time, the party. Corazon, you wanna take me to walking street tonight? It's gonna go ahead, sign the papers. That's what he always says. Sign the paper. What papers? We already signed it to be together. And then good in the bad times.
The vows, the short and sweet.
The good and the bad times. So tonight is gonna be good. Anyway, so this is how it looks during the day, guys, here in Walking Street. This is my second time that I drive my car to Pattaya. I usually just, if I need to go far, yes, I use the car, but usually I just walk to the beach or to places, find food or anything that I need here, because the streets are very narrow, very hard to go somewhere, stop and go, and my car is a gear, manual transmission, so you get tired of driving, your car on heavy traffic, so easy for me just to walk. Wow, this market, this street is really nice. There's a lot of fruits and vegetables. Alright, guys, I just send money to myself from using Western Union. It's pretty easy. I never have any problem getting my money here in Thailand, going to one of those either banks or just Western Union places that you can get. I usually go to banks to get my money, so I never had any problems at all. So I know I read a lot of reviews on those places sometimes, and some people complain about, it's hard to get the money. I never have any problem like that, It's just go straight, be polite, and they give you a good service. That's it. All right, guys, too hot out there, so we're just getting our bubble tea. Yeah, it seems like we have been drinking a lot of sweets lately, but I do exercise all the time. Like every single day I do exercise though, so. And that doesn't mean that I should be eating a lot of sweets, but I do exercise every single day. I never stop, at least for now. Alright, guys, we're gonna finish the video here. Thank you for watching, staying with us on this adventure here in Pattaya. Again, we brought the car to do install audio in my car, like a good speakers and amplifier, but that's gonna be tomorrow. So tomorrow is gonna be another video, and we're gonna take it with us. So for today's video is done. So thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye, peace.